Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are here with another question of mathematics in which we have to solve the value of x from the given figure. So before starting the solution, if you are new at my channel, so do subscribe it. So let's start the solution. So the given figure is a triangle, so we have to find the value of x. So what we will do, as you know, the sum of angles of the triangle is equal to 180. So what we will do, we will add all the given sides. So we will write it here 30 and plus 2x plus x equals to what? 180. Okay, now in the next step we will add these the value of x. So here coefficient is 1, so it will be equal to what? 30 will remain same. 2x plus 1x will be what? 3x. Okay, equals to 180 will remain same. Okay, after this 30 here it is adding here, so when it goes opposite to the equal side, it will become minus. So what we will do, 3x equals to 180 minus 30. Okay. So 180 minus 30 will be equal to what? 150. Okay, now here 3 is multiplying x, so when it goes opposite to the equal side, it will become divisible. Okay, so now it will divide 150. So 150, so when we divide 150 with 3, we will get what? 50. Okay, so the value of x will be what? 50. Okay, so now we have to put value of x here and here. Okay, so here x equal to what? 50. So this angle is 50, and 2 into x means 2 multiplied by 100 will be what? 100. Okay, so now when we add these angles, so we will get the sum of what? 180, because 30 plus 100 equals to 130, and 130 plus 50 will be what? 180. So I hope you understood this question. So do subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, till then, bye bye.